up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. Tell them where we are, Sean.
We are at Williamson County Park in Leander.
Why are we here?
The VW Harvest cruise. Day before the show.
Is the day before the harvest, and we're doing the cruise. And that guy's alarm's going off. What kind of Volkswagen is that? I bet it's that smart car.
Could be. From New Jersey.
Yeah.
So we're getting ready to cruise to Williamson County Park to Top Notch.
Yep, it's a big cruise, the big super hot, although it's not really that hot, not like Junebug. But it's nice. There's Matt Jackson.
He photobombed us.
He has no idea. There he goes. Anyways, so yeah, we're late, but we still made it. And look, Milo's here from way up north. Looks like we got
good number of cars.
A lot of nice cars, a lot of familiar cars. Corey's here. Check it out. Corey drove his oval down with his crazy shark tooth white wall. Good to see him out and about again. The car's pretty rad. We'll go take a look at it later. Look, here's more people. I thought that was Jerry for a second. All the way from Washington in his ragtop. Wouldn't that be funny if it's the same one? I think he sold it.
Oh, he did?
I think so.
Bummer.
All right, we're gonna go walk around and look at some of these cars, and then we'll start driving around. You'll know when we start driving around because we'll be driving around. Here we go. Look who it is, 2/10 of VW Life.
Hello, Old Volks TV. How's it going out there, everybody? Welcome to the VW Harvest Cruise today. We're glad to see you guys.
It's safari weather.
So, of course, in case you were wondering, tomorrow, this is exactly where we'll have the show tomorrow.
Well, I'm having some mechanical issues. My gas pedal is acting kind of funky, and we kind of got lost, separated from everybody. So, and this little dog's hot. She's like, man, she wish she didn't come. So we're just gonna go to Top Notch. We're gonna meet everybody there. I've got several cameras that are out there doing the trip, so we'll get some footage for you guys. We'll just play it after this, and then everybody will meet at Top Notch, and we'll have a nice big old party. What do you say, Dahlia? Yeah, all right, she's ready to go. We'll see you there. right, everybody made it. Got Josh and Violet. Violet, you eating a French fry? Nope. They say made in Germany. They just don't say. All the Northern folks are here. I included you in the Northern folks.
That's okay.
You guys go to their meetings, but you don't come to our meetings.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, even Milo made it.
What's up? He ages well.
Yeah, he looks a little different than the other weekend, but I think it's the hat.
It's the hat and the beard. The 5 o'clock shadow.
There it is. Clayton made it. Look here, we got the Million Mile Beetle, Herbies. And Sean made it. Hey, Sean cheated. He didn't race the whole race.
It wasn't a race today.
Well, it was a race to get
about halfway.
It was a race to get a parking spot is what it was. This place was packed when I got here. And I got here early.
I can't believe you got here before I did. You must have fixed it and then
you know what?
183.
All these guys were following Tommy, and Tommy was trying to come here. So all these bugs followed him, and I followed them, and I was like, oh, wait, crap, this is the toll road.
Yeah.
So I was like, on one exit, I took the toll, and I got off. And as soon as I got off, I'm like, I should have stayed on because it would have been 50 cents to keep going.
Yeah.
Or 19 miles to do the stupid loop around to Anderson Mill.
Yeah.
So I drove the long way, stopped at the 7-Eleven, got water for the dog, fixed the gas pedal, drove here, still got a spot. Hey, look, it's Gary.
Old Volks TV, what's happening out there in TV land?
Yeah, he thinks he can see people in there.
I can, there are people out.
But that's us.
I see people in there.
There's
That's
3
us.
people. Right
That's
there.
Old Volks.
What are you,
Hi, Old Volks
is this, what was that show, Romper Room? She had the birthday bubble machine, and she's like, I see Jason and Sean and Gary. It was like, if it was your birthday, she would say your name.
David's having a special day today, and Olivia Joy had a special day on Sunday.
See, exactly.
How was the journey? I didn't make it.
It was fine.
We cut off that McNeil and then we got 180.
Clayton's gonna propose right now. All right.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Clayton Caps.
This is Clayton with a 1,000,000 and something plus mile Herbie.
Yeah.
Almost got to be almost 2 by now, right?
Yes, exactly.
2 million miles of Herbie.
1,088,000, I think, like that.
Jeez.
So, Alex, I'm glad y'all are here for this. John Barry, get back here.
Oh, you want to run away from this?
So, Alex, I have known you for 4.5 years. And I think the world of you and your son. See? And we've had our ups and downs and here's and there's, but I would love to spend the rest of my life with you if you would consider. And would you be my wife?
Yes. You gonna put it on?
Sure. Oh yeah, that fits great.
Put it on her.
You're good at this. You're gonna need
Wait,
practice.
pretend to do it again so I can get a picture.
Butter.
Is it butter?
Well, you didn't actually have to take it off. I
Oh,
think
okay.
You're supposed to
Right,
take it off.
Don't look at him, look at her.
Congratulations,
That
you
is so
guys! Oh my God! Yay!
That was
Let's see that rock.
I'm engaged.
She has me.
And I'll be 48 next month.
Wow!
It's a nice look.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
I'll send you a copy of that.
Thanks.
Well, there you go, huh? Proposals, car sales, hamburgers, French fries, and Violet.
That's what he really
All right! Yeah, we got French fries on our lens. What more could you ask for? All right, that's gonna do it from beautiful Top Notch Burgers, the famous, world famous. That was the harvest cruise. Tomorrow we got the harvest, but that's gonna be another week before that video comes out because this was just too much fun. Lots of videos spliced in from multiple cameras, lots of cars this year, so that's pretty great. So many cars showed up. It's pretty awesome. We're very excited. This is gonna be another great weekend. This is just the first day of 2, so we're wore out from all these events every weekend, but you can't say no to the harvest. So this is gonna wrap it up. We're gonna call it for this week. So check out all the friends, hit all those links, get you a t-shirt. Check out Straight Axle Dubs and VW Life. They're doing videos on this also, so you get to have multiple angles, multiple videos, multiple channels. It's just fantastic. Hit that subscribe button, tell a friend, share with your neighbors, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week.